Unless you've been living under a rock, then I think we all know what Moderna, the US pharmaceuticals company, has been up to the last year or so. But what's happened to their stock price? In today's chart of the day, I look at the technical analysis. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stock Hunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So if you're interested, the ticker for Moderna is MRNA, and we're going to dive straight into the weekly line chart. Now we can see, if we go, roll the clocks back, early pandemic, Moderna was a sleepy, rather large pharmaceutical company. COVID comes along, and really, not many people have benefited from the COVID virus, but Moderna certainly have. Look at the way the stock price has shot up to a $460 area. That is a massive leap over 2021. And key numbers to take away, well, we've got maybe a pullback zone around the 365 area if the price does come off. Key 61.8%, just under 300 at 290. Going back a bit further in time for a really big pullback or downturn in the price of Moderna, we'll be looking at that 38.2% line around $185. And notice we've got 1-2 touches there and a lot more noise action going through that period, but at the moment it's a one-way street. It's a to the moon type stock price at the moment, and can it keep on going? That is the big question. It's the same story in the daily Heikin-Ashi chart, all very positive, all one way. If we go to the indicators at the bottom, the RSI and the regression both giving us bullish signals. The red line on its own there in the middle is volatility, slightly turning down, but there's a reasonable amount of annual volatility there, about 60, 70, 80%. Going on to the price direct, prices recently broke out of the box setup, giving us a buy signal there. We trace the price back. Really, prices was zipped up around June time, and prices over doubled. And if we then took it back to just before the beginning of 2021, really price has been in the $100 to $200 range in a very wavy like pattern of indecision on where it should go next. But recently we've seen a strong run up in the price and very bullish at the moment on the Heikin-Ashi chart. Now onto the Renkos. I've used a small, quite aggressive block size here of 3, and that's going to give more swings in the price and more short-term price action. And currently we can see, because of that, we've got a small downturn from those highs around just under 490, bit of pullback. So we got a neutral we got a sell in the regression indicator at the bottom and a buy, reducing adjusted DMI indicator there. So pretty neutral as the price pulls back. And if we're looking for a short-term pullback zone, that 78.6 Fibonacci line around 409 could be it. There's a bit of noise around there from the earlier parts of August, so we could see the price bounce there and go back up. If it doesn't bounce there, then the next downside's around 347, 350 area, and then below that down to 260. And if we're talking upside bounce, then the next Fibonacci retracement level, the 127.2% line, is just under the $600 at 588. So all looking very bullish on the Renko chart at the moment. In the longer term, shorter term pullback let's see where that goes next. So let's summarize the Moderna position. Well, if you're going to take it purely from the technicals, then it's a bullish play at the moment all day long. We got a small pullback in the short term, that's worth watching. And if we focus in on the targets, it's good upside risk reward, and we've also got some reasonable downside in there as well, but on the strength of things at the moment, looking very bullish. Moderna did fantastically well to bring to market the COVID life-saving vaccine that has helped us all, and their stock price has benefited off the back of it. Let me know in the comments below if you agree my analysis. Where do you think they're going next? Where's their stock price going? Do you trade them? Like I say, let me know. And if you've liked today's technical analysis and want to learn more, I'll put some more info in the description below for you to follow. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of any content I'll produce. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.